question is asking, if ABC, these coordinates are given, what is the angle? What is the angle theta? What is the angle theta between AB and BC? Theta between AB and BC is the question asked. So first you calculate the direction ratios of AB. For AB, you calculate the direction ratios, okay, direction ratios. A1, B1, C1. How do you calculate? If I call this coordinate as a x1, y1, z1, then if I call this coordinate as x2, y2, z2, and if I call this coordinate as x3, y3, z3, then we know that the direction ratios is always given as a difference in the x coordinate, y coordinate and z coordinate, correct? Z2 minus Z1. So, can you tell me what is this? 2 minus 0 will be equal to 2, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, minus 2. And direction ratio of BC, for BC the direction ratios will be how much? A2, B2, C2 will call, A2, B2, C2, this is equal to how much? That is equal to BC, right? 4 minus 2 will be 2, 5 minus 3 will be 2 and 0 minus of minus 1 will be plus 1. Is that right? Now what you do, what is this formula for cos theta? Cos theta is equal to mod of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. If you can look at the options here now, directly you calculate only the numerator and cross check. A1 into A2 will be how much? A1 into A2 will be 4, correct? 4. And minus 2, 4 minus 2 minus 2 divided by this denominator. I am not bothered, students. Denominator can be anything. Is it okay? Something. I will write like this. You can clearly see here the cos theta value is equal to 0, right? So what is the value of theta is equal to cos inverse 0. That is equal to how much degree? 90 degree, correct? You concentrate only on the numerator and cross check. Only if the numerator is not 0, then you go to the denominator. So what is the answer that we get? The angle between two lines is 90 degree is the answer.